For me, it's about being able to bloom where God has placed us, regardless of industry or age or nationality, like if you are a housewife or in insurance or in health or in real estate. So for me, being in real estate, and especially being a content creator, I'm blessed that I have this platform where I can reach a lot of people. Although my focus is in real estate, I try to make intentional content that really speaks to people, helps them, and also inspires them. Especially right now, we are living in such a broken world. You know, there's such chaos going all around us, like there's war and all this politics. But even with all the negativity, I believe that if we just are intentional in blooming where we are planted and to do our best where God has placed us, then we can still make a positive impact in our own space. And the people that we touch, we might not know it how or when, but they will be able to pay that forward and just make positivity, more positivity in the environment or where we